What's good, YouTube? Today we're gonna go on a drive in my 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback. Little 4-cylinder. The turbo's like right down there. Got a closed off air box, and you can still hear the turbo pretty good. There's not much to it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just needs a car wash. Kind of dirty. Other than that, it's a clean car. It's got a lot of trunk space too. It's like very roomy, especially when you put the back seats down, but just a little dirty. Yeah. Back seat's kind of messy, but doesn't have the best room. If I sit here, I'm like 5'8", and I have enough room for my sitting position, so I think it's pretty cool. It's not bad at all. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm about to take the back road to my house. It has this one nice curve. It might look slow from like the point of view camera, but it's actually really cool. I go slow through here. If I'm going really slow and I'm in low, I can actually get the car to brake traction, but it all depends how warm the tires are or whatever. It's kind of funny though. You wouldn't expect this car to brake traction. See if I can do it though. Yep. Squeeze the tires a little bit. See if you can get the turbo a little bit. Traction. Alright, going slow. Forward. Alright. It's gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully I can make more reviews on maybe a Mustang soon and maybe a Subaru Impreza hatchback, but catch y'all later.